friends, my name is Goan Sorak Curry and you are watching my YouTube channel Quick Tasty Bites. Today we are going to see how to make easy and simple Sorak Curry recipe. Take a mixer jar. Now add 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, 8 Kashmiri chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of ground coconut. Now grind the masala into a fine paste. Take a utensil, add little oil in it. And now add the masala in it. One tablespoon of salt, 1 Maggi cube, and stir it well. Now close the utensil with a lid and let it boil nicely for 5 minutes. Once the curry has boiled nicely, switch off the gas. Tasty Sorak curry is ready to eat.